Tips and tricks for Oregonians working from home. Since the COVID-19 pandemic began, more and more people are working from home. This change in how and where people work has been smooth for many. It has also brought to light some of the challenges that people face when working from home. Whether that is keeping yourself on task, having a good home internet connection, or keeping dogs and children quiet during video conferences. If you are one of the many new telecommuters, here are some tips and tricks to help you be successful working from home. Most workers who say their job responsibilities can mainly be done from home say that, before the pandemic, they rarely or never teleworked. Only 1 in 5 say they worked from home all or most of the time. Now, 71% of those workers are doing their job from home all or most of the time. Working from home. Designate a workspace. It is very important to create a designated workspace for yourself. You should have a supportive chair and ergonomic desk set up to help fight fatigue. Laptop stands and ergonomic computer keyboards are great options. You will also want to get a good headset with a microphone. This will ensure you are heard clearly on calls and video meetings. If you use a laptop, consider buying a larger monitor that you can connect to with an HDMI cable. This will be easier on your eyes and help you avoid hunching over. In addition to having a good desk set up, talk to your household and set some rules about your designated workspace. Make sure that they understand that your home office is not a place to play and that you need quiet time while you work. This can be very challenging if you do not have an office or room with a door for privacy. By now we have all seen kids and pets make Zoom meeting cameos, even in the news, so do your best. Likewise, give others the benefit of the doubt if you notice they are also facing these challenges. Avoiding eye strain. When working from home, it can be easy to get drawn into your work and forget to take breaks. Computer screens can be very harsh on your eyes though. Be sure to get up and stretch a bit every hour or two. You will also want to adjust the display settings on your screens to reduce the amount of blue light they emit. Avoiding screen glare also helps alleviate eye strain. Matte screen filters can be used if you are not able to move your computer away from glare sources. Working from home. Keep a routine. Keeping a routine is very helpful when working from home. Without peers or managers to keep you on task, you have to self-motivate. Getting dressed every day may start to seem pointless, but it is recommended. For many, it helps them stay motivated and avoid the blues. Taking walks and getting some fresh air each day is also helpful for mood. Finally, using a shared calendar to block your time and let your coworkers know what you are working on can help you stay on task. Having a routine helps you stay productive and also helps your mental well-being when working from home. Getting your kids and pets on a good routine will also help minimize distractions from them. Optimize for video conferencing. Video conferencing is very important when working from home. You may have seen or experienced some of its challenges though. Have you ever been in a Zoom meeting where someone is lagging and breaking up? This is a very common issue. If you are working from home, be sure that your internet plan has enough upload speed for Zoom. You may need to adjust your plan to support more bandwidth usage. Some 81% of employed adults who are working from home all or most of the time say they use video calling or online conferencing services like Zoom or WebEx at least some of the time. 59% use these often. Final thoughts. When you work remotely, your internet connection is extremely important. With Webformix, even people in rural locations can get reliable and fast internet coverage. The way we work is changing, but working from home is a trend that will likely stick around. In 2020 Bend, OR, our headquarters, was dubbed a Zoom town. People from all over are moving to Central Oregon because they are now able to work remotely. Now people can enjoy life in the outdoors while making a living. Working from home is a challenge, but it can also be liberating. Webformix is excited to provide internet for remote workers in Central and Southern Oregon.